Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana, on 17th March, 1962, to parents Banarsi Lal Chawla and Sanjyoti Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was the youngest of 4 children. As a child, Kalpana was fascinated by airplanes and flying. She completed her schooling from Tagore Bal Niketan Senior Secondary School, Karnal. After obtaining bachelor's degree in aeronautical engineering, Kalpana Chawla moved to the United States in 1982. She obtained a Master of Science degree in aerospace engineering from the University of Texas at Arlington in 1984. Kalpana earned her second master's in 1986 and a PhD in aerospace engineering in 1988 from the University of Colorado Boulder. Kalpana Chawla was married to Jean-Pierre Harrison. In 1988, Chawla started working at NASA Ames Research Center, where she did computational fluid dynamics research on vertical and short takeoff and landing concepts. Kalpana Chawla was selected as an astronaut candidate by NASA in December 1994. She reported to the Johnson Space Center in March 1995 as an astronaut candidate in the 15th group of astronauts. Her first space mission began on 19 November 1997 as part of the 6-astronaut crew that flew the Space Shuttle Columbia. Chawla was the first Indian woman to go in space. On her first mission, Chawla traveled 6.5 million miles in 252 orbits of the Earth, logging more than 376 hours in space. In 2001, Chawla was selected for her second flight as part of the crew of STS-107. This mission was repeatedly delayed due to technical problems. The mission launched from Kennedy Space Center in Florida on 16 January 2003. The STS-107 mission crew performed nearly 80 experiments studying Earth and space science, advanced technology development, and astronaut health and safety. On 1 February 2003 morning, the Space Shuttle returned to Earth and was intended to land at Kennedy Space Center. Unfortunately, she died on 1 February 2003 in the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster, along with the other 6 crew members, when Columbia disintegrated over Texas during re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. Chawla's remains along with rest of the crew members were cremated at Zion National Park in Utah in accordance with her wishes. Kalpana Chawla was posthumously awarded the Congressional Space Medal of Honor, the NASA Space Flight Medal, and the NASA Distinguished Service Medal. NASA named 7 hills on Mars in memory of the 7 astronauts who died in the Columbia Space Shuttle disaster. On 5 February 2003, the Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, announced that a meteorological series of satellites, METSAT, was to be renamed Kalpana 1.